Okay, when I ordered my drink, this is not how I envisioned it coming out. Doesn't bother me, I'm on vacation. I don't know these people. Well, it's happening. Today's our last full day. The depression is real. It is setting in. I'm really meant to live at the beach. I don't know why God doesn't understand that and moved me to the beach. So, bags have been packed. Things are getting ready to be loaded into the car. We'll probably start packing the car this evening after dinner with some of the things. It's a sad, sad day. But on a brighter note, we're about to head to the beach and get roasted because the sun is shining. It is a clear, beautiful day right now. Hopefully the water will be calm enough for us to get in it. I think we're gonna go back to Sand Key. I believe I liked Sand Key better than the Honeymoon Island. We found a lot better shells at Sand Key as well. So, I'm sorry I'm so somber. It's sad. But we're just gonna have to make the best out of it. Here's to our last full day. I don't want it to end. I have to go back to work Monday.
Like the water was a lot lighter today and calm.
The water is cooler and we can get in it.
Well, it is still breeding season for whatever those things are. Yeah, those things that bite you up. Oh look, he has a West Highland. There's a pirate ship you can take and it's leaving right now. Cass mentioned earlier, we were technically supposed to have left today. That was the original plan, but you know it's always pretty the day you leave. So earlier in the week we reached out to the guy we're renting from and it was available. So we snagged it for today. I've already tried to talk Cass into snagging it for tomorrow too and leaving Sunday, but he wants to get home and rest before going to work. So that's understandable. But, you know, it's always the prettiest day when you're supposed to leave. So luckily we're not driving home today in this pretty sun. We're going to hopefully get our suntan or sunburn in our case on. Ooh, you see it?
I can't see it if I got it on the camera. There's a stingray jumping out of the water. It is stingray mating season.
Giggity.
I got the camera pointed in the general direction. I'll see, and all the sunlight, it's hard to see the screen, so when I edit this, if you guys hear this, then you know I caught it. If not, it won't make the video at all.
It did it like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah, I'm hoping I caught at least one of them.
I can't see the camera with my sunglasses on. I can't read.
Yeah, I can't either, and I zoomed, I don't know how far out I zoomed. An example of what not to do at the beach. It really has been absolutely beautiful here in Clearwater. Doubt I'm supposed to be on these rocks, so I'll stop right here. I do think we will be coming back and visiting this area. We've already started talking about it, and I mean, obviously not planning yet. Hopefully cruising is opening up back next year, and coronavirus is well in our rear view.
Wrong.
Because I am dying to get back on a cruise ship. We're continuing to look for shells and trying to figure out what we want to do for dinner. Do we want to go find us a sunset place, go get showered and changed real quick and eat dinner and watch the sunset? Or do we want to just stay here on the beach and watch the sun go down? This park closes at sundown, so we'll have to be out of here, I guess, before the sun completely sets, but still it'll be a beautiful sunset. If we had a change of clothes, we could go back to, oh man, I can't remember the name of the restaurant. It was really good. As a beautiful location for sunsets we had it the other night down here in Clearwater on the water, or not on the water, at Pier 60, I think. Or we could just go back and get some more of those fries. Those fries were so good. I can't remember the name of that restaurant either, but it's when we parked to go to Pier 60, when we were walking around that whole area. That place is definitely worth a revisit. A lot of shells to be found here. Should have brought the action camera. I'm too scared to venture out too far into the water and stick my hand down, and worried I might get this camera wet. I don't know if that big one's going to fit in my pocket.
Don't break.
Look at this thing that washed up. What in the world is this? If anybody knows what this is, put it in the comments down below. I don't know if it's dead, still alive. Yeah, it just washed up a little while ago. We noticed it from our seats as the water was rushing over it. Somebody stranded me. They think they're getting a better view of the sunset than I am.
to see if he's coming for me yet. The pirate ship is back. What did you find?
I don't know if it's a fan coral or was it a sponge or what. I was hoping some of this, because I thought that was just packed sand. I was hoping it would rinse out.
It probably is over time. Everybody's gathered to watch the pirate ship go by. A lot more people have come out to the beach, I guess, because everybody's gotten off work and wants to come watch the sunset. Have a photo shoot going on over there. Pretty skyline. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Let's see if that's... We're still here waiting on the sun to finally set. Cass is trying to convince me to go to dinner, but it's our last day and it's so pretty.
Everything closes early, so we'll go to bed hungry if we don't.
We left today like we were supposed to. We would have missed all this.
Alright, you ready?
Keep asking me that. I said I was hungry earlier and you threw me a bag of cookies.
Last use of the cart.
This trip.
This trip. Yep. Farewell, Clearwater Beach, Sand Key. We have enjoyed our time here.
Why am I so sad? Am I doing the wrong thing?
Absolutely not. It's just that sometimes goodbyes are a bitch.
Because we rushed out of the house. The battery had died in the camera, so we had to swap the battery. We missed filming the sunset, unless you got it on your phone, I don't know.
I got a good bit of it on the camera.
Oh, okay.
I got a lot of it on video.
So, just arrived here. We're going to try out CC Riders tonight. And after that, we'll start packing the car, getting ready to leave in the morning.
There's a lot going on downtown tonight.
Yeah, it's
Dunedin.
very busy tonight.
The street was very busy. Not overly busy, but
So,
very busy compared to what we've seen. It's a pretty day and it's Friday.
And then tomorrow on the way out, we've seen several places we want to stop. So, it'll
be a late day tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going to be a long drive. Alright, we'll see you guys when we get inside. Alright, so we asked to be seated outside. We just like sitting outside. It is a nice night. And it's a really cool, cute
Are you getting rid of me?
ambiance out here.
There's music somewhere.
Yeah, there's somebody singing inside. Here's the menu. Haven't really looked at it yet, so don't know what I'm going to get. Okay, when I ordered my drink, this is not how I envisioned it coming out. Doesn't bother me, I'm on vacation. I don't know these people. But this is the Island Girl. It has coconut rum and some fruit juices in it and some other stuff that I don't remember. And Melissa got the blood orange margarita. We just ordered our appetizers and our entrees. They have beignet-styled hush puppies, which sounds kind of intriguing. Comes hush puppies with powdered sugar and like apple butters.
I love apple butter. You're not the biggest fan.
Not the biggest fan, but apple butter to go on them. And then we got, what else we get? Oh, the deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs.
Yeah, we love some deviled eggs, so we're gonna give those a go. Then I ordered the seafood cobbler. It's a couple of different types of seafood and a sauce with a buttermilk biscuit. I don't know if it comes with any other vegetables. Mashed potatoes seems like it'd be good with that. Put mashed potatoes in the sauce. And then Melissa got the
Special of the day. Something shrimp and pasta. I don't know.
Yeah, blackened shrimp and Cajun pasta. It sounded really good. I almost went with that. So I'm glad she got it so we could each taste each other's. So, man, the street has been super busy tonight. And a lot of people with loud motorcycles and cars rolling by. It's almost like we're at home. Okay, that's good. You want to try the Island Girl?
Looks like apple juice, but I'm not tastes like that. It's actually good. Is it a beer or a mixed drink?
No, it's a mixed drink.
For some reason I thought you ordered a beer because I knew you were looking for some of that.
So I guess we'll just wait on our food. 'Cause I don't know about Melissa, but I am starving.
Got that on our Facebook memories earlier.
It's not focusing. Yeah. So on our honeymoon.
We have pictures from almost every anniversary trip, don't we?
Yeah, we started it on our honeymoon where we would cross each other's hands with our rings on it and take a picture in front of something. We checked in the Key West, we did it in front of our room, we did it in front of the the Dewey House sign, we did it in front of our room on the cruise ship. We just did it, I tried to show the picture from us on the cruise deck, I don't know if it's going to show up or not. Then we've done it several other anniversaries as well. So it's just something cool that we've done. I've actually had to change rings from our wedding. My finger got a little too fat for my original ring.
Amazon special.
Yeah, I got on the Amazon special. Melissa got me a pack of 4 for like $12 or something.
I went all out.
Hey, you know, but I hadn't worn a ring in months, probably almost a year, because I couldn't get the ring on my finger anymore. So we didn't know what size I was anymore. We were too scared to go to the jewelry store with COVID going on. So she'd seen online that
men, not women, but men's ring size is equal to their shoe size. And I think I ordered 12. And then that your shoe size?
Yeah.
It worked.
It fits.
The things you learn on social media.
So this is I think this is the darkest color. Then I have, it's 4 different colors, 4 different rings. So I'll swap them out occasionally depending on what I'm wearing, but I think I left the other ones at home, so this is the only one I've had on this trip.
There's my mask. I need to do it in front of something. My hand is all red and...
We can go to the Dunedin sign and do it in front of the Dunedin sign. A wall. Isn't it just right down there? There's the Rides for Tip van.
No, it's tips for trips.
Oh, tips for
trips for tips.
Trips for tips.
That's what it's...
Reminds me of when we were in St. John's or St. Thomas. St. Thomas. Yeah, we jumped on a van like that. It was just open air tour guide, just like $20 a person or something. Really enjoyed the tour that the guy took us on. Learned a lot about the island. A lot about living on the island, the expenses of the island. So I enjoy doing tours like that.
Cass can't live on the island. He has to live in the U.S. on the contiguous U.S. for work.
Yeah. Even though I work remotely, there are still guidelines to where I can live and work. Whoops. Forgot about this. We were starving. Appetizers came out, so we just dug in. These deviled eggs are delicious. Then there was, what, 9 of them? When they came out. Then here's the beignet hush puppies. They're still really hot. I haven't tried those yet.
Apple butter.
Say what? The apple butter? I believe she just said the apple butter was delicious. So, I'm about to continue eating, so sorry guys.
It's not traditional apple butter.
I'm about to continue eating, so I'm going to have to put you guys back down, so sorry.
He's called. Let's stop for a snack box.
Okay, so here's the seafood cobbler. Shrimp, clams, and grouper cheeks. There's Melissa's special of the night. It's not on the menu. It's blackened shrimp and Creole seasoning pasta. So it looks and smells delicious. Without further ado, let's eat.
It was wonderful.